Hey y'all, finna cook dinner tonight, so I just wanted to come and let y'all see what I'm finna cook. I ain't got nothing but some pork chops out. So I'm not even gonna do like a fry to them. I'm gonna do more like pan-seared pork chops, some corn on the cob. I'm gonna make some rice, and that's about it for dinner. I tried to find, a different way to make the pork chops for y'all, but I couldn't think of nothing else, and I don't have really anything unique to put together, that I think that y'all will like. So I just say, you know what? I'm just gonna make them my normal old way, and we just gonna roll with that. Okay? So I'll be right. All right, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to do my corn. So. Right now, I just have the corn in the pot. Got 4 pieces of corn. And I'm going to add some butter. Add as much butter as you would like to add. And this is just regular frozen corn. I'm going to add some salt to that. Like that. I'm going to add some black pepper. Parsley. And we're going to let this do what it do right now in just this butter. And let all the ice and all that stuff come off of this pork chop. And then we'll know how much liquid to add, if any. Okay? So, going to get that butter pushed right down in there. Did I tell y'all sugar yet? Oh, and sugar if I did. Because I know I did. And we're going to add some sugar to that corn. We like sugar in our corn. And I think I'm going to add just a tad more of salt, parsley, and pepper. And that's it. And get that on over there. And let it do what it do. And let it do what it do. And let it do what it do. And do for you. Okay? And I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So, I'm finna season up these pork chops. So, y'all know I like to use mustard and stuff. Even though they're not going to be fried, but they're going to be sauteed. But it's just another layer of flavor. That's all it is. So, I'm going to put my mustard all over the pork chops. I'm going to take my heyyydust. Heyyydust is my all-purpose seasoning. If you would like to get your hands on my heyyydust, the only thing you got to do is email me at Tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com. This is a low sodium seasoning, so one thing about it, 2 things for sure, you ain't got to worry about it, making your food salty. I went ahead and I added me a little bit of salt to it because I know that it's not salty. Okay, so now, only thing I'm about to do is take my pork chop and mix them all around in this bowl and make sure everything gets coated with all the seasoning. And then, let me show y'all the size of the heyyydust, how you can purchase it. The heyyydust come in 2-ounce packages. Like this. I have an indication version and a low sodium version, okay? And both of them come the same exact way. Alright. So make sure you get every piece of your pork chop coated and seasoned and all that good stuff. Coated with the seasoning. So another thing that I was thinking about doing was, y'all know I'm on this little cornstarch kick, right? So, I want to see what this cornstarch is going to do for my pork chop. Even though that I'm not going to be, I'm not going to be frying them. But I am going to be pan frying them. And I want some kind of a au jus. Put some more mustard. Okay, a little hint more of salt. I want to make sure this is seasoned, y'all. So I want like a little au jus that's gonna go on these pork chops after they are done. some, not a gravy, but you know, something loose like, you know, the little juice that come off of it. And I don't know what the cornstarch gonna do. I don't know if I should use it, shouldn't use it. I just wanna maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. We're just gonna do these just like these. Cause I ain't trying to fry nothing. Oh no. Oh no, y'all. Kinda confused. Kinda confused as to what I'm gonna do. Hold on, y'all. I think I am gonna try it, y'all. I'm gonna go with it. Y'all, y'all know how I do. Just put some on there like that. We ain't trying to put a whole lot because I ain't, like I said, I'm not trying to fry. And then the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little oil, put it down in my pan. My pan has been heating up, but I just want enough oil in the pan to just pretty much coat that pan, get it all greased up and stuff. And then we're gonna turn the heat up on it. And then we're just gonna get this cornstarch mixed around on this meat. We're just gonna see what it do. Right? Just see what it do. It ain't gonna hurt nothing, right? Okay. It might build up a crust on it, might not. I don't know. It might give it a little crunch, it might not. But hey, a little is better than none sometimes, right? Might crisp up the fat around the edges or something. I don't know. We're just gonna try it out and see. Alright. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna check the corn over here, see if we need a little liquid or anything. And this right here is mainly just butter and the juices from the corn. And so they looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of, because it really ain't no water in there, y'all, just a little bit. So just a little bit and let it go. Just like that. It's just enough to let the corn, just enough really to cover the bottom of the pot. Enough liquid. Okay, so we're gonna let it steam over there. Just like that. And now we're gonna go in with these pork chops and see what happens. I'm just going with it. Okay. Like that. I don't want the pan to get overcrowded where it starts releasing juices and stuff. So I'm looking for me a smaller piece. And just do it like that. Let it do what it do. Whatever it do. Let it do what it do. Whatever it do. And let it do what it do. Whatever it do. Come a little closer so you see the see. Y'all know I like to in there. Like swimwear. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let that go and do handle this business. When it brown on the underside, I'm gonna flip them over and I'll be back. Oh y'all, it's looking good. Okay. Something chopped up. That's all I'm doing, looking at you. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, getting your pork chop. Some of them are. This one I have on pork fat. Taking that out. Putting that over here. Letting it brown up a little bit more. And that one right there. Okay, so when I take those out, I'm going to add the other piece. But that's what it looks like, y'all. Just pan-seared nicely. Got a little crunch on it here and there, but that's what I want. Just like this. Okay. Let this one get a little bit of color on this side. Popping crazy. These here is big, so I'm going to have to do one at a time with those. I might still get another one. Nice and seasoned. Y'all know what I had to get my bottom. That's good. The cornstarch ain't do nothing for it, y'all. Just to let you know. Alright, so I'll be back with those brown. Y'all, these is done. I got one more. It's big. I had to fry by itself. But just to let you know, it do take a little bit longer to do it like this. But my big eye is still out. So I can't cook on my big eye yet. But this is what they look like, y'all. And maybe the cornstarch helped with the browning. I don't know. But they nice and they delicious, y'all. They good. I like them. And they season good. And they tender. So if you don't need all that flour and stuff, this is the way to go. Okay. So I got them leaning like that just so the grease can just run off of them to that side of the pan. Then I can just get me a paper towel and get, you know, soak up that grease. Alright, y'all, so I got the last piece going. It's about ready to come out. I'm going to let it brown a little bit more on this side. Just let that grease run right on off of it. Just like that. And That's it for them. That is it. That is it. That is it. Okay. So I'm thinking about making a little au jus. Oh no. I think I might just let this be. But let's see how it turns out. This makes a big mess too, so y'all, so if you got like a screen for your grease and stuff, it'll be good to use when you're doing this right here, because I gotta mop my floor with that grease just flattening everywhere. Alright, so you see the crumbs in the bottom of the pan? You just take me enough water to put in the bottom of that pan so all the bits and pieces can come up. Let's see. And this is our little au jus. I ain't gonna put the meat in here. But this right here can go, you know, over the rice. All these flavors and stuff that's in here, honey. So I'm gonna let the pan deglaze itself. I'm gonna sprinkle a little seasoning over in there because I know it's not seasoned. Sprinkle a little heyyy in there. And to this, you can add some thyme if you want to, you know, to give it that flavor that you want. If you want to put some of this on top of your pork chops or something. Let it keep doing what it do. But it's getting all them bits up out that pan. And, you know, all this is flavor. I'm going to taste it. Make sure it don't have like a little burnt taste to it, you know, from those bits being in the pan so long while this was cooking. But y'all see it. It don't taste good, y'all. So I'm done. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. Here's the pork chop with the rice and the corn. Peace, love, and blessings to each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all try it. If you do, let me know what you think, okay? I love y'all.